Welcome everyone, it's Jane and Stu here with the workshop conveners for the 2021 ASM, and we're in day 3 of the workshops, Jane. So what do you reckon? How's it going?
I think it's going really well. The thing that I find most amazing about this ASM is the technology that's involved. We're next door to the control room, and the control room honestly looks a little bit like NASA administration. We've got mission control there. It looks like we're going to launch a satellite or a shuttle.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And then we're actually standing in the studio here. We thought we'd show you. It's kind of like a TV studio. It's kind of like the Today Show in here. We're TV producers. So earlier, or yesterday, we had the Kaiko workshop in here, which was pretty innovative. It was a bit of a crazy idea that we thought of maybe mid last year, and it came to fruition with Luke and the team from Monash Anaesthesia. And you were in here with me during that yesterday. What do you reckon? I was. I thought it was amazing, and those little 3D printed out larynxes were incredible. I think you were responsible for that. No, it was a really impressive effort, and we've had great feedback on that as well, so that's exciting.
Fantastic. And other technological things that have happened, so we've done live streams from sim centres.
Yes, indeed.
So we had Ellie Tutungi and Sesto Cairo doing a session on thoracic anaesthesia, and you were there as well. You've been all over the place, Jane.
All over that one, yeah, that was yesterday it was Tuesday. Was it Tuesday? No, it was yesterday. It was yesterday.
The days are blurring together. It's the pandemic blues day. That's it.
At the Epworth Sim Centre, and they put on a really polished, impressive workshop, tips and tricks in thoracic anaesthesia. Again, great feedback, and it was a really high quality workshop. So thanks to the guys for that one.